Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will be talking about phrases. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to talk about the gerund phrase. A gerund phrase will begin with the gerund, an ing word, and will often include other modifiers or objects. Gerund is basically the ing form of the verb which is being used as noun. For example, swimming is cool. Here, swimming is the ing form of the verb, but using it as a noun, so swimming is gerund. Swimming is cool is the example in which swimming is gerund. And then the pattern would be first of all gerund, then object and modifiers or modifiers. The gerund phrases are formed exactly like present participle phrases, and how would you able to differentiate with the present participle in the gerund? So in order to do that, you need to determine the function of the phrase. Then gerund phrases always function as nouns, so they will be subjects, subject complements, or objects in the sentence. For example, washing our dog Gizmo requires strong arms to keep this squirming, unhappy puppy in the tub. Washing our dog Gizmo is the subject of the verb requires. Then there are the gerund phrases. A good strategy for avoiding the dirty dishes is to eating meal off paper towels. Eating every meal of paper towels is a subject complement of the verb. And the verb in this case is. And then we have got the Sisu tribe holding the supply trout, but the fish flipped out of her hands and splashed back into the stream. In this example, holding the slippery trout is the direct object of the verb, and the verb here is tried. Then we're going to talk about the absolute phrase. So absolute phrase combines a noun and a participle with any accompanying modifiers and or objects. Pattern is noun plus participle plus optional modifiers or objects. Then we're going to talk about the absolute phrase examples. His brows knitted in frustration. Here, brow is noun, knitted is participle, and his and in frustrations are basically the modifiers. And her fingers flying over the piano keys. Piano fingers is noun, flying is participle. Her and over the piano keys are the modifiers. Rather than modifying a specific word, an absolute phrase will describe the whole clause. His bird knitted in frustration. Thomas tried again to earn a perfect praise in dress. This phrase, his brows knitted in frustration, describes not only the Thomas but also his focus on acting. And Franzens play the difficult concerto, her fingers playing over the pianos. Her finger playing over the pianos basically describe not only the Franzens her method of playing. And then we have another example. The coaches watched the Leo launch a pass down the field. Their eyes followed the arc of the ball. Here, the eyes followed the arc of the ball describes not only the coaches but also the intensity of observation. This is all for today. Thank you so much.